Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. From the standard S25 to the premium S25 Ultra, Samsung is gearing up to introduce some game-changing features, including the much-anticipated satellite connectivity. Let's break down what you can expect from these futuristic handsets. First up, let's talk about satellite connectivity. This feature was heavily rumored for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but it didn't make the final cut. However, we found some clues that it will be a major highlight of the Galaxy S25 series. According to Android Authority code, in several Samsung apps, hints at satellite connectivity. Phrases like, you're in satellite mode, you can send text messages, including to 911, and you can send and receive text messages in satellite mode, point towards this new capability. But that's not all. Samsung's journey to satellite connectivity has been a long one. Samsung has been working on this technology for years. We saw hints of it possibly appearing in the Galaxy S23 and S24 models, but it never materialized. Meanwhile, Apple has already implemented a similar feature in iOS, showcasing its potential through various case studies. So, how does this fit into the broader smartphone ecosystem? Google is also on board, enhancing support for satellite connectivity in Android 15. As noted by Dave Burke on the Android developers blog, Android 15 allows apps to detect satellite connections, enabling SMS, MMS, and RCS messaging via satellites. This means the Galaxy S25 series will likely integrate seamlessly with these new Android features. So what does all this mean for you, the user? With satellite connectivity, the Galaxy S25 series promises enhanced communication capabilities even in remote areas. Whether it's emergency messaging or staying connected when traditional networks fail, these phones are set to bring us closer to the future. Excited? We sure are. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates on the latest tech innovations. See you next time. Peace out.